What's going on, guys? I'm Nathan and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do DIY projects, kayak mods, gear and bait reviews, and fishing technique videos. So if you're into that kind of thing, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment down below of a video that you would like me to make. Today, we're going to go over this mystery tackle box that I got from Walmart. Stick around. Okay guys, so before we get into the video, 90% of my views come from unsubscribed viewers. So if you're one of those people, please help me out. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment to let me know you're new. I'll be doing a giveaway here shortly. I'm still working out the terms and getting everything right. And then we'll do a giveaway for so many, I'll do like a challenge. So if we get so many subscribers, I'll do this many giveaways, if that makes sense. All right, so on to the video. So I took, this is what it looks like. The sleeve it comes in. I got it on sale for like $17. I think they're normally like 30. It's box number 91. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the sleeve. All right, so let's get into it. So it comes with this pamphlet. Okay. So it's kind of talks about casting rods, spinning rods, gives you a little tutorial for a polymer knot. I have a video of fishing knots that I use and I've never had them fail. So go check that out. Comes with this card. And, tells us what we got in the box. It's got the MTB logo on the back. All right, let's get into it. We'll use this, go down the list. All right, so we got a Bagley small fry crayfish deep diving crankbait, and that would be this guy right here. So it's a 3/8 ounce crankbait and it dives 8 to 10 feet. On the back it shows you what to do when you're fishing it and the tackle to use. It says use light tackle, 6 to 10 pound test. We don't do that here, so we'll go probably 15-pound test. The main thing you want to concentrate when you're fishing crankbaits is your rod action and your gear ratio on your reel. It's got an elongated split ring on the front, purple on the front and back, yellow around the midsection, and then black dots on top. And I believe it has a rattle. Got a pretty deep rattle on it. So we'll fish that. See if we can catch one. All right, so next up is Perfection Lures Sure Hook Up Shaky Head. That's these. So these are kind of unique. They have a stand on the bottom to help the bait sit up. Light wire. Interesting. Okay, on the back it has it shows you different ways to hook up different baits that you fish. So let's see what we got. Two things of soft plastic. So let's see what we'll use with that. All right, so we got a Duo Realist V-tail shad. That would be these. So it's a 4-inch shad. They're salted and squid flavor, made in Japan. That's what they look like in the package. Writing on the back. It's got a plastic tray inside, which is kind of cool. It's not, the baits don't lay in there separated like you get something you get from like the Guggen Squad or something like that. All right, so this is what they look like. Got a dark on the bottom, lighter on the back, and it comes down to some flanges or ribs, if you will, and then the V-tail. They just smell like plastic to me, so. Okay. Next up is Excite Baits Raptor Tail Worm. That would be these. Says high floater, so they're not salted. They don't have a color or a length on them. They're made in Texas. So let's see what they look like. All right, so it looks like a normal worm up front. And then when you get back to the tail is where it gets unique. So it has a wider flange on it in the back, and then it comes down to a ball. So it's shaking. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. All right, so what we'll do, let me finish the box, and then I already have an idea of how I'm gonna fish everything. All right, so we got these Stickies EWG hooks. They're 3/0, and I got 3 of them. Let me find one without stabbing myself. Here we go. That's it right there. It looks like that the barb on the back comes out a little further than normal, but we'll see. All right, so the last thing in the box is this sticker from Ketchco. I might put that on my kayak. And then you got your ruler with the rules and everything of the contest. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I will hook up each one of these on these little shaky heads. Then I will hook each one of these up on one of these hooks. I'll fish one weighted and one not weighted. So the salted, I'll fish unweighted, and the floater, I will fish with probably a 1/4 ounce bullet weight. I'm gonna leave it unpegged just so the weight can separate a little bit and that worm get a little more action. All right, guys, so the plan is here in a couple weeks, I'm gonna go on like an overnight fishing trip. And on the first day, we're gonna fish most of the day. I'm gonna try to complete this MTB Slam, and we'll see how that goes. The next day, I'll probably try to get a little more than one tutorial video in. I might cover crankbaits, spinnerbaits, something like that. And that's about all I got for you guys today. So please, 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 if you like the video, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, spread the word. Help me build this community so it can pay off in the long run. And I'm not talking monetarily. I'm talking with just helping people learn how to fish. Probably in the next couple months, I'll do a why I started the channel, a little bit about me video. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comment section. Other than that, I don't have anything else for you guys. So as I always say, you guys have a great day, and let's make the world a better place.